Hey guys, today I'd like to show you how to apply this distortion effect to your video footage in Premiere Pro. Let's go ahead and create a new sequence with the following settings. 1920 by 1080 at 24 frames per second. Hit OK, and let's import our footage to the project. Drag it to the timeline and change the scale to fit the sequence. Here's how the unedited version looks like. Now let's go to effects and search for the following things. Directional blur, double-click to apply it to our selected footage, then search for mosaic, again, double-click, tint, brightness and contrast, and lastly, noise. Alright, I'm gonna hide them and edit them one by one. For the directional blur, change the direction to 90 and blur length to 100. Then let's enable the mosaic and change horizontal blocks to 200 and vertical blocks to 50, and check the sharp colors box as well. Then enable the tint and leave the colors to black and white. Then for brightness and contrast, change the contrast to 40, and for the noise, uncheck use color noise and change the amount to 100%. After applying the effects, we might need to scale the footage again to hide this line that was created by the blur. And with all the effects applied, the footage looks like this. That was it, guys, for this video. Don't forget to subscribe, like this video, and share it with your peers. Also, comment below your ideas for the next video and we'll make it happen. Have an amazing week.
This is Creative Society.